I've been lucky enough to ride my bike around the world for the last 25 years, and I think there's something truly special about riding in Yorkshire, just for the simple pleasure of cycling and exploring. Yorkshire might not be on your cycling radar, but this area has really come to life in the last decade. In 2014, the Grand Départ of the Tour de France was here, and in 2019, the region hosted the World Cycling Championships. Both events were absolutely tremendous. I remember them well. There were 2 million people out on the roads watching the racing. It was an incredible time. I think what perhaps makes this tour, this itinerary special is the diversity it offers as we traverse across England's 3 finest national parks. It's a really unique opening in the Lake District where we access the start point by boat on the stunning Ullswater, and the Lakeland Fells form the backdrop for our first day of riding. As we head east, we reach the Yorkshire Dales, which were the centrepiece of the Tour de France, and then into the wide open spaces of the North York Moors, where those rolling roads lead to the sea on England's north coast. It's a pure joy to ride on some of the quietest roads in Europe, where you can relax, escape, and connect with nature. Yorkshire is known as God's own country by residents of the county, and there's no doubt the landscapes are truly outstanding here. However, beyond the hills, moors and forests lie the beating heart of vibrant communities where a friendly welcome is guaranteed. In nearly every village, there's a cafe or a pub that you'd be proud to call your local. Come to Yorkshire, and memorable hospitality is waiting for you, from fantastic restaurants specialising in hyper-local produce to off-the-scale charming tea rooms and some of the best real ale breweries you'll find anywhere. It's easy to see why the biggest cycling events in the world have chosen to come here. Beautiful scenery, epic roads, warm hospitality and local passion. If you love cycling, you'll love Yorkshire.